welcome back to another video. Today I am going to try to do the snow angel, not snow angel, it's the I'm cold makeup look. So it's basically like looks like you just came from outside, like, and like your cheeks are like flushed and you know, like when it's cold. This has never happened to me because I don't have the skin tone where my skin gets cold when I'm nervous, or like I don't blush basically. So this will be fun. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, let's try it. I am so upset today because one, my hair didn't come out the way I wanted to. Like, look at this, my curls are so flat. What is this? And it's my conditioner, I know for sure, because my hair should not look this flat, because last time I did it, it looked amazing. And second of all, I haven't put heat in my hair in over a month. Third of all, I put product this morning, so there's no way it should be this flat. Like, this side is okay. Like, I don't know, but I am upset about my hair because it doesn't look like the way I wanted it to look like, you know? Ugh. All right, let's go ahead and do this. I'm getting an allergic reaction on my cheek. Like, for some reason it's like really hot and it itches and stings. I don't know what it is, but first I'm gonna start off with, and I know my shirt does not match the theme of like where we are now, What's Up Witches, but this is the only comfy t-shirt I had. I need some like cute Christmas stuff or something because it's cold in my apartment and I could really use a cute Christmas sweater right now. So I'm gonna prime with the Glow Recipe Blur Drops Serum. I'm gonna just use it as a primer. My camera has a limp leg. What I mean by that is that the tripod I have broke randomly in my car, and it's like I put it together with some tape, but now I can't really move it because if not, it's gonna fall. So all right, put my foundation on. I use the Makeup Forever HD Skin, this one. Oh my gosh, I already know my back is gonna be killing me. Ooh. I think this foundation is not matching me anymore. I don't know if you could tell, but it looks just a little bit darker. Cause I got this in the summer. Like, I got this right before the summer, so it was like I had a little bit of a tan. But now I'm in peak winter right now and haven't gotten any sun, so I am pale. Well, as pale as I can get. What I like about this foundation is that it feels lightweight. Like, I feel like I have the same amount of product on this side and this side, you know? Doesn't feel like I just caked my face up. Like, some foundations you need that for like certain events and stuff, but like this one, you see, like it's not the same color. Since my last makeup video, I still don't have a concealer, so why am I talking like that? So I still don't have a concealer, but we're gonna keep doing what we were doing last time, using my foundation and then my setting powder as a concealer, which worked. And that's the thing, I don't have a lighter foundation. Like, this is the only foundation. I cleaned out my makeup drawer and that's what happened. I was cleaning it out and I was like, oh, I don't need this concealer. I threw out the freaking wrong one. Literally after this video, I'm gonna go to the beauty supply and buy a concealer because no, we're not gonna keep doing that. We're just not. I look so funny. All right, so it's basically just doing the same steps as my normal routine. Oh, by the way, I used the Huda Beauty setting powder. My fave ever. I've had it for the longest time. My absolute favorite. Now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powdered foundation, but I use it as my contour because when I get a tan, I'm literally this color. So I went to the I went to a drugstore to get this because my foundation didn't match me, so I got this and I was like, you know what, it works. It works for contour now. I feel like I don't like the way it looks anymore. I feel like it looks kind of ashy on my skin. Okay, while that sets, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate ever since I was in high school, and I'm gonna just keep buying the same thing because I don't know, this is just how I know how to do my eyebrows. And my eyebrows are very thin. So, not that they're very thin, they're not thin. I mean, like, the hair is thin. The hair itself is thin. I have fine hair. So I need to fill it in so it looks like I have eyebrows, you know? Because if I do my makeup and I do my eyebrows, it just doesn't look the same, you know? See the difference? So, can we talk about December? Can we just talk about how this has been the shortest month all year? Like, the new year is in literally 11 days. Christmas is in 5 days. Why did I just shock myself with that revelation? I literally, what? Now I use my same foundation just to clean up the top because I don't really pass the foundation on there to begin with. So I leave that space open so when I do my eyebrows, it's just there. This is a pretty easy like makeup trend because you literally just do your same makeup routine and then just add a bunch of blush at the end, which I used to do, but I used to do that to do like get the sunburnt look, and I used to love that in the summer. So let's see how this one looks, and let's see if I can make it not sunburn, because I think the kind of blush that you have to use for this is like a lighter pink / reddish, and I have like a really red blush, which I'll show y'all in a second. All right, let me do eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow is basically like, it's kind of like a whitish color. Let's see, because I give away all of my makeup palettes because I literally do not use makeup palettes anymore. I have these Morphe ones, but they got canceled because they were something was going on in there freaking. I don't want to use this. I want to throw it out. Bro, all my palettes are Morphe. Like, that's literally all my palettes. Alright, we're just gonna use this light shade from my Morphe palette, and nothing is going to happen to me. So the kind of blush is like a pinkish reddish. So these are the blushes that I have. I have these three, and I think the color is like, it's more of like this pink, but this pink is not gonna show too much on my skin tone. So I think I'm gonna use these two. I don't know how that's gonna work. Let's just do it, and then we'll figure it out later. If it looks bad, we'll just put foundation over it again. I'll use one, two. Let's blend it. Let's see. I feel like an artist. Looks like a makeup thing. A makeup thing. It looks like a painting. Wait, that's cute. I think this side has more pigment than this side. Alright, now I'm gonna use the pinkish one on my nose area, like here. You know, like when you get cold, you're like, shows mostly on your nose. Okay, do I look good or do I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? The world will never know. Both sides. Did I do too much on the blush? I don't know. Am I gonna add more blush? Yes. What I'm gonna do is I have this blush brush, and I have some leftover blush from this ColourPop one, so I'm gonna just go like this. Now I'm going to add some highlighter in the inner corner of my eye, and I have this Fenty Beauty one. It got messed up. Ooh, don't judge me. But we're gonna add some of that to the inner corners of my eyes. I'm also going to add a little bit of this highlighter. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. going to add a little bit of this onto my eye. I forgot this step. I used the Glossier Boy Brow for my brows, just to give them like a little feathery look. We still need my mascara. I used the FanFest Benefit mascara, and I freaking love this mascara. It honestly makes my lashes look so nice. And then I got the lash separator. It's best to use the lash separator when the lashes are still wet, because when they dry, it gets harder for them to get into the little wand. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use this like reddish lip liner. And then I'm using the Rare Beauty lip oil in Wonder. I'm gonna add some highlighter to my nose. Okay, so basically this is the final look. Hold up. Let me add some highlighter to my my brow line. Like that is necessary. Actually, we're gonna do this. I haven't used white eyeliner in a long time, so we're gonna use white eyeliner on my lower lash line. Boom. Wow, look how much brighter this one looks than that one. Alright, now I'm going to add some mascara to my lower lash line. One thing about my eyelashes is that whenever I get my lashes done, the lash tech always says, "Oh my gosh, your eyelashes are so long." And I'm like, I never knew that because they don't curl. So my lashes are flat, so they might be long, but they're flat, like they don't curl up. That's one bone I'd like to pick with my freaking lashes. But once they curl, they look long, but they don't look long for long. Alright, so basically that's it for this look. What do we think? Did I do a good job? I don't know. I tried my best. Let me get my thingies and let's see, like, you know, let's get the cold girl vibe. I brought the earbuds out. It is giving cold girl. This is the final look. What do y'all think? I think it's cute, but I don't know, there's something off about it. Maybe it's just me. I think it's maybe my neck corners. I don't like the color of it. It needs to be like wider. It's cute and I like it. So let me down below if you like this I'm cold makeup look. I don't know. There's a lot of different names for makeup looks now, but I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.